Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about milium cysts, which are known to some as baby acne. So, what is a milium cyst? A milium cyst is a small white bump that typically appears on the nose and cheeks. These cysts are often found in groups. Multiple cysts are called milia. Milia occur when keratin becomes trapped beneath the surface of the skin. Keratin is a strong protein that's typically found in skin tissues, hair, and nail cells. Milia can occur in people of all ethnicities or ages. However, they're most common in newborns. What are the different types of milia? Milia types are classified based on the age at which the cysts occur or what's causing the cysts to develop. These types also fall into primary or secondary categories. Primary milia are formed directly from entrapped keratin. Secondary milia look similar, but they develop after something clogs the ducts leading to the skin surface, like after an injury, burn, or blistering. So, do babies actually get milia? The simple answer is yes. Neonatal milia is considered primary milia. It develops in newborns and clears normally within a few weeks. Cysts are typically seen on the face, scalp, and upper torso. According to Seattle Children's Hospital, milia occur in 40% of newborn babies. So there you go. What are your thoughts on milia? Do you get these milium cysts? Did your baby? Leave your comments below.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.